That right there is my account after 1 day on my reset challenge. Let me tell y'all what happened. I've been working on this challenge series for a while now, and I'm not gonna lie, the pressure has been real, like real. And I think that pressure is exactly what got me into this situation. I'm Bree, a funded futures and forex trader, and I document my real journey, not the highlight reel. Hit subscribe because this video is exactly why you need to watch your trading psychology before you watch your charts. Okay, so let me walk y'all through exactly what happened. My first trade of the day, and I want to be clear, was an A+ setup. 1 hour and 4 hour gap following the bullish trend. Everything I looked for, I took the trade. Got stopped out. 50-point stop loss, 3 micro contracts on NQ, about $300 gone. It happens. That's a part of trading. But here's where it went wrong. Price came back to my entry, and instead of asking myself why I got stopped out the first time, I got back in immediately. That's not trading, that's reacting, and there's a massive difference. Second trade, same result, negative $300. But here's the part that nobody's going to tell you, and it's the reason why I keep talking about trading psychology over your trading strategy. I wasn't even at my desk when I took these trades. I was on my way to work, on my phone. Not at my setup, not in my focus state, literally in transit, and I still took 3 trades on NQ with a 50-point stop. Me personally, I know my rules. You do not trade when you're not at your desk. That's not a suggestion, that's a rule I set for myself because I know what happens when I don't follow it, and I broke it anyway. In the third trade, let me tell y'all, I waited, told myself I was being patient, I was giving it time, and I took the same exact entry. For the third time, same setup, same result. At that point, I stopped for the day, but the damage was already done. Over $850 in one session. And the real reason this happened, if I'm being honest with y'all, is pressure. I've been building this challenge series for months now, and I want to pass. I need to pass. And that pressure legit turned the A+ setup into 3 revenge trades that I had no business taking. You should absolutely not be trading when your mind is somewhere else, when you're distracted, when you're desperate to make something happen. Because you're not trading your strategy at that point. You're trading your emotions. So what am I taking from this? 3 things. And if you're in a funded challenge right now, write this down. Number 1, environment is a rule, not a preference. If you're not at your desk, you're not trading, period. It doesn't matter how clean the setup looks on your phone. Number 2, being stopped out on an A+ setup is not a sign to re-enter. It's a sign to wait. Price coming back to your entry is not confirmation. It's a trap, and you set it for yourself. Number 3, pressure kills accounts. If you feel like you need to pass this challenge, you need to step back before you step in. At the end of the day, a desperate trader and a reckless trader make the same mistakes. That's never going to change. That's all I got. This wasn't easy to film, but I promised y'all the real journey. And this is it. I'm still in this challenge. I'm not quitting, but I'm also not pretending that this didn't happen. Let me know down in the comments. Have you ever broken your own trading rules and paid for it? Because I know I'm not the only one. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and yeah, stay blessed.